Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a review on a pair of headsets, well, a pair of earphones. And I would like to thank the folks at AMORNO for sending this package out for us to review, well, these earphones. And we're going to try them out and see what they like. So without further ado, let's get this started. Okay folks, we're here at the part of the video where we're going to unbox this and see what's inside. So let's do this. Alright, so nice packaging and everything. So let's see how we open this. Oh, there we are. Open it up right here. Let's pull this flap out. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, that was easy enough. Oh, well, check that out, folks. It's a pouch. Well, that's interesting. So these headphones have their own pouch. Huh. Okay. And okay. Well, we got our manual here, headset manual, so I think we're gonna go through this and see how to operate this in a moment. So I'm gonna take it out the pouch here. I'm pretty sure it's got to be in here. So let's open this up. Wow, look at that. Oh wow. That is, wow. What can I say? Alright. So let's take it out the pouch. Alright, so what's in here first? I don't know what's in this bag. Okay. So this is a USB plug. Now, being that these pair of headphones got to be rechargeable, this got to be the USB plug you use to plug into your 5-volt adapter to charge up this these headphones. So that's cool. Comes with their own port. Okay, good. All right. I'm just looking at the other stuff that's in here first. Oh, that's what that is. Okay. Well, folks, these are the little things you would put on top of the ear. Well, I'll show you in a moment. Basically, these are like the earplug covers for your headphones. That's what you got. The little one, you got this size, and I think the other one's probably on here too. Let's check them out. All right. Oh, well, that's interesting. Wow. That's the warranty card. And here are the headphones themselves. As you notice, they're folded. Oh, you can unfold these. Okay. Alright. Cool. Wow, that's interesting. Alright. Let's see. I want to play with these a little bit. Let's see. I see two little buttons here. It's like two little buttons here. Right, I'm noticing right now. Let's see, how do you get the earphones out? Oh, okay, you take them out. Oh, okay, you take them out. So you kind of pull them out a little bit. I'm hearing some clicking. Interesting. Okay. You got the on and off switch and everything. Wait a minute, what those two buttons do anyway? Let's press them. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, wow. So they retract. Oh wow, that's cool. That's really cool. You don't have to worry about the headphones just hanging out and everything. You just, oh, whoa. Whoa. That is definitely long enough, folks. Well, let's retract them. So you don't have to worry about the headphone just hanging all around, getting tangled up on stuff, and then you just retract them. Oh, okay, that's cool. All right. Well, I noticed there's some buttons here, and it's got an on-off switch right here. Let's play with that. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. I just felt that buzz. It vibrated. Oh, there's the light. And as all of us know, when we see that on a Bluetooth device, that means it's not connected yet. So we're definitely going to connect this in a moment. So, I like these already. And then of course, when you're done with them, throw them away. Put them in your pouch. Go on with your day. That's cool. That's real cool. We're going to connect these in a moment and then try them out. So, stay tuned. Alright folks, well, now we're going to go ahead and connect these headphones to our phone. And well, the first thing we want to do, after consulting with the manual in there, I'm just unfolding it right now, is I'm going to turn it on first and look for the light. There we are. Oh boy. When this thing comes on, it comes on. You actually feel it vibrating and everything. So I'm pretty sure that's for the phone feature. When you push that button for your phone and everything. Alright, so what I'm going to do, since it's searching for a Bluetooth device, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So we're going to go to our settings on this phone. Hit our Bluetooth thing. I already turned my Bluetooth on earlier, so I can find it. And it's giving me a list of available devices nearby, and it found it. That's the device we want to connect. So we're going to hit a mono XX and everything. Hit this. It's pairing. And it's connected. Alright. Well, that's cool. Just like that. Didn't take no fuss, no muss. Just connected. That was fast. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can do this. Now I'm going to literally leave them inside this thing right here, right? And I'm going to put the earphones as close to the camera as possible so you can actually hear it. Now keep in mind that it doesn't necessarily going to sound like this when it's in your ear. It's probably going to sound way better. But I just want to give you an idea that this, give you the idea that this thing is actually connected. So I'm going to find something on here. Oh, I know what I'm going to find. I'm going to go to my TikTok channel. And I'm going to go to my TikTok. That's me on TikTok right here. Alright, so I'm going to go here down here and click on one of my videos. Well, a couple of my videos, I don't know. I'm going to hit this one first. Oh, that's cool. Well, it's definitely connected. Well, it definitely works. Well, that's cool. Alright, well, as you know, it works really well. So, what we're going to do next, we're actually going to try this out in the real world and see how these sound. Well, folks, after playing around with these headphones a bit, I decided to add this extra clip to our video so you'll understand how to operate these. You know, but the instruction manual will pretty much tell you the same thing. But I just want to give you a quick heads up. I'm going to go into the app itself, the audio app on here. Now, right now I'm playing some music on here. I'm listening to them through the headphones. And basically to kind of operate the headphones itself, because it rests on your shoulders, all you have to do is basically, there's like 2 buttons before the on and off switch. They control, when you tap on it once, either one going either direction. I'm gonna hit the plus button first. The plus button allows you to go forward in the music. That's what I'm doing now. I'm hitting the plus button on here. And now I'm going to hit the negative button, the minus sign button, to go back. See, I'm going back now. See, going backwards. Right back to where I started. Now, the volume on here, you can adjust by long pressing either of those same buttons you use to go back and forth. So long press on those buttons to make the volume either go up or go down. And to put it on pause, when you listen to your music, hit the button that's on the side of the headphones where it's got the telephone headset on. Press on that, and it pauses the music. And then you hit that again, starts up your music again. So I just wanted to put that little quick thing in there, so anybody's listening, you know, want to listen to their music, this is how you operate the headphones. So let's get back to our regular scheduled programming.
All right, folks. I'm basically outside with the headphones, just walking around with them, and I gotta say the sound quality on these is wonderful. And I was even able to make a quick phone call, and the sound quality on that call was pretty good too. I talked to my wife and she loved it. So I definitely would get these. Also, by the way, the music sound in general, when you listen to your music, sounds wonderful. You can even hear the bass in the music. Yes you can. And I was surprised about that part, so I was like, oh, okay, cool. So these earphones are really wonderful, real comfortable, real easy to use, no fuss, no muss. So, you know what? I like these earphones so much. I'm going to provide an Amazon link to the bottom of this video, so you better get one of your own. So, thank you for watching, and have a great day.